ever thought about how analysts combine data from so many databases to find just the right information? In this video, we will understand how to combine multiple data sources in Power BI, join types, limitations, data joining, which requires dataset come from same source, a diagrammatic representation of join types, an inner join which returns records that have matching values in both the tables, in left outer join which returns all the records from the left table and matched records from the right table. Left anti-join returns records from the left table and that has no matching rows in the right table. Here example we can see you can combine two tables using merge queries option through the Power Query Editor. Cross join. In case there is no common column between the two tables, cross join function combines each row from the first table with every row from the second table. Data blending. Data blending is when you take data from more than one source and add them into a single data sets like BI systems, Excel spreadsheets, web applications and so on. Some of the most important advantages include eliminate unnecessary duplications. Also it has some limitations like data complexity, data inconsistency because of varying data formats. It requires manual efforts like data preparation and alignment, so it's time consuming too. Data integration. Automated systematic process for combining multiple data sources using a process that cleans, refines data into the standardized format. Let's have a short view. When we start Power BI application, on the left hand side you can see Get Data option pops up. We can click on the Get Data option and import data sets from the different sources. Methods for processing data like ELT, ETL and APIs. Look at some benefits, enhanced data quality. Thanks for watching.